Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable or disable random hardware addresses on Windows 11. For this, press Windows plus I key on the keyboard. This will open Windows 11 settings and then click on this one Network and Internet option. Then on the right side, click on the Wi-Fi or LAN adapter option. Then you can here turn on or off random hardware addresses option. This will enable or disable random hardware addresses for all the connected Wi-Fi or LAN cards. And in case you want to enable or disable random hardware addresses for any specific LAN card or Wi-Fi card, then click on this one manage no networks option. Then click on this one right side arrow icon beside the network card entry. Here you can enable or disable random hardware addresses from its drop down menu. Just select on or off option, and like this you can enable or disable random hardware addresses on your Windows 11 PC. Thanks for watching this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you have already subscribed it and you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.